Hi guys, I have here the Classic Kitchen Basics Rotary Style Food Mill. Just want to give you guys a quick look from the RSVP International brand. Let's go ahead and open this up. Give you guys a quick look at the product here. Give me 1 second while I open this unbox this for you guys so you guys can see. So that's pretty much what's all on the outside of the box. Make delicious tomato sauce, applesauce, baby food, even rice for potatoes. Let's go ahead and pull this out. So this is what it looks like before I pull it out. Let's go ahead and do that. We have that piece here. We got a 3-disc. Also got the slicer. And that's all that comes with it. So that's the rotary food mill. We got the crossbar, and we got different graders, medium and fine. The disc. So there's two. There's one fine, there's one medium, and one coarse as well. They're interchangeable. So there you have it, guys. Give you guys a quick look at the product. Great product for those who are looking to make kind of paste type of foods. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.